Ever wanted to let visitors book appointments right on your WordPress site without paying for pricey plugins or wrestling with code? In today's tutorial, I'll show you step by step exactly how to integrate a Calendly booking calendar for free using Elementor in WordPress. Even in 2024, by the end of this video, you'll have a seamless, professional calendar embedded on your site, ready to take bookings and save you tons of time. Let's dive right in. The first step starts outside of WordPress over in your Calendly account. Now, if you're new to Calendly, it's a super popular tool for scheduling appointments. Think about it like having a digital assistant that helps manage your meetings or bookings. So begin by logging into your Calendly dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the event type you want to put on your website. Maybe it's a discovery call or a demo session. Whatever you want your visitors to book, that's the one to focus on. Find that event type and click on the Share button. You'll probably see a few options, but today we're going for the Add to Website tab. Here's where Calendly makes things easy, offering different ways to display your calendar. For this tutorial, select Inline Embed. This option is perfect because it puts your booking form directly onto your page, like a little window into your schedule right where your visitors expect it. No pop-ups, no extra clicks. Click Continue and you'll have the chance to customize the embed, like changing the colors to match your brand. If you want your calendar to blend in or pop out, it's worth spending a few seconds here. Once you're happy, click Copy Code. Now this might look like a bunch of computer speak, but don't worry. You won't need to edit it, just copy it as is, and hang on to that code. We'll need it soon. Next, we head over to your WordPress site. Open up Elementor on the page where you'd like your calendar to appear. Now here's a tip. Although Elementor is a powerful page builder, its free version doesn't come with a dedicated Calendly widget. But no worries, we can work around that using its built-in HTML widget. This is a simple tool that lets you put custom code, like the one we just copied, directly onto your site. So in Elementor, drag the HTML widget onto your page exactly where you want the calendar to show up. Maybe you want it in your contact section or your booking page or even your homepage. Wherever you think people are most likely to book, that's the spot. Once the widget is in place, click inside the widget's editing area and paste your Calendly embed code. Take a breath, this part might take a few moments, especially if your internet's a bit slow. Give the preview a second to load your calendar. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Sometimes it just needs a little refresh. Once it appears, you'll notice your booking calendar sitting neatly on the page. Try resizing the widget area or moving it until it feels natural within your site's layout. What's great about this approach is that all the booking logic, notifications, confirmations, time zone calculations is still handled by Calendly offsite. Think of Elementor as the display case and Calendly as the smart assistant behind the scenes. This keeps things simple and reliable with zero extra plugins or upgrades needed. When you're satisfied with how it looks, just hit Update or Publish on your page. Jump out to the front end of your site and check your handiwork, a fully functional booking calendar ready for anyone to use. And that's all it takes. You've just made online bookings easy for both you and your visitors entirely for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And drop a comment below if you run into any issues or just want to share your experience. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more straightforward WordPress tips and tricks. Happy booking!